Hello friends, this topic is taken from modern India. The title of today's video is Green Revolution and Khalistan Movement. Khalistan movement is a Sikh separatist movement seeking to create a homeland for Sikh by establishing a sovereign state called Khalistan. The movement flourished in the Indian state of Punjab, which has the Sikh majority population, reaching its zenith in late 1970s and 1980s. The prominent leader of the movement was General Singh Bhidravanwale. In April 1978, there was a mass conversion at Amritsar of a religious sect, Nirankaris. The Nirankaris thought of themselves as a Sikh, but they believed in living Guru Baba Gurbachan Singh. Baba Gurbachan Singh was assassinated by General Singh's Bhidravanwale band on the charge that he claimed to Guru. Why did General Bhidravanwale get huge support from the Sikh people? The answer can be divided into two parts. The first part is related with the historical background. The second part is related with the socio-economic aspects. Sikhism is the world's youngest major religion and is still evolving. It is also religion of the book with a demanding doctrine. A holy book has much wisdom. The Green Revolution has created income inequality, which led to economic distress in Punjab. In the time of economic distress, you sometimes need a human being to defer to, particularly if he has a godly reputation. General Singh Bhidravanwale had thus satisfied the psychological need of the economically distressed Sikh people. Similarly, Bhidravanwale also succeeded to attract many Jats of the peasant background. These Jat peasants had seen the gain of Green Revolution, were cornered by the large landowners. Again, the other followers came from the lower Sikh caste of the artisans and laborers. These people saw in the process of purification their social advancement. Green Revolution had increased the economic prosperity. This economic prosperity had modernized the Sikh, who had so far forgotten himself as to cut their hairs and started to consume tobacco and alcohol. As per the Sikhism, Sikhs are not allowed any form of intoxication. Bhidravanwale spoke scathingly of these practices. To conclude, Bhidravanwale benefited from the general increase of religiosity, which in the Punjab, as in some other places, took place because of the rapid and unexpected economic development, that is, Green Revolution. Thank you for watching my video.